I see some countries like Germany, they have a president who is a lady. And Germany is a good country, is one of the countries in Europe that has a good economic base. So she's doing well. And there are also some few cases that we have heard from other countries, like the women did this, and it was a successful stories. So we believe that we also, like us ladies or women, we can also do it. The first thing is the culture. The culture doesn't favor girl child. It's very difficult for them because the boys are given the first priority. If you look at the employment sector, if you compare the percentage, the men are highly employed than the women. It has made even the women themselves, their minds to be dominated with like a man is the one who can do it. So if it comes to election, even the women vote for the men. They don't believe in the women. So it will take time for a change because it's changing, but it takes time. When I formed the groups, like women group, from those groups, the women who are not even having the house, they are now having the houses. They are now able to send the children to school without relying on anybody. They are able to buy some food. So we are, like myself, I'm very proud of that. We have changed some of the lives in the community. Also, we have this activity of vocational training. We realize in the women we have a lot of young girls who got married very young because they didn't get the chance of going to school. Like for example, when I was starting the organization in 2009, I didn't have anyone of my age in the community. Everyone was married off and I was alone. And everybody was pointing the fingers. You are the next one. What are you doing? We decided to train them by teaching them the tailoring skills. I think the education is just empowerment. Yes, to empower you either economically, socially, politically.
I was a housewife in my house, doing only the community work for our community here. No, my education level is only a middle school Form 4. I'm a widow. My husband was a teacher, so he used that method to teach me. At times he would tell me, you, maybe one day you will not see me, so I want you to copy my lifestyle so that you will be well in the thing. I said, okay. So that's why I managed to be can read and write. In Northern District, we are the first people to start weaving. And we want, if things goes well, we'll train more so that it will be a job for them. Our area here, there is no any other work apart from. After we have harvest like this, you sit down till the 6 months time, then you start sewing again. But you need money. So the weaving is important. It is a job for them. There is no any other job. The men, when they get their money, they go to the beer bars, fine, without minding the children. And we African women too, we are very serious on our children. If you get one person, I say, oh, my child needs this, that, this. I will send my child to her. And the man is just there like that.
For me, I grew up like this. I think it was polio. Our father got married to another lady, so he left us with our mom, and she was struggling to get us like something to eat. Imagine, with 9 children, it was not easy for her. A teacher, my former teacher, called that there's these people from Mondo, they want to start a restaurant, if I want to join. I was so happy, even I didn't sleep at that night. I thought, even I can get a job. So Sisi started teaching me how to handle the books, how to use a computer. It was my first time to use a computer. I learned, it became easy for me. Though it didn't work out, but it was really nice. But Sisi again called me. In 5 years, I see myself getting like my own house and KDI growing. It's hard when you don't have money. It's very hard. But I'm working, so it's somehow okay. What I want to add, I want to thank Mondo. It means a lot to us. They really done a good job in my life, especially my life.